Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are using your Wix website in 2026, but suddenly you are going through a Wix error 10104. So if you are seeing this, it usually relates to a connectivity or maybe a firewall issue. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all of the steps needed so you can fix this type of issues. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, since this is a problem related to connection, first you should go all the way and look if you are fully connected to basically a stable Wi-Fi or a wired network. After checking that, you should go all the way and disable any VPN or proxies. Then VPNs often trigger this type of error, including this 10104. Turn off firewall temporarily. Firewall also may block the Wix connections. Then go all the way to your browser and clear the cached cookies. Maybe we can go and try incognito mode from here or in private window since it doesn't have all of your information included. Then we can try updating our browser since outdated browser causes this compatibility issues. You can also do the classic solution, restarting your device, restarting your browser, restarting your router also. Then as a last resort, as I always tell you, go and contact the Wix support. Provide the error code, let them know what's going on, and they're gonna help you. And that's basically it, so thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.